This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by clearing the low-hanging fruit so the phone can breathe. First, free about 10–20% of storage by deleting large files and uninstalling unused apps. This prevents slow iSlasho. Once done, force close background apps and reboot to flush RAM and temporary cache, which often restores speed immediately. Then make sure to install pending OS and app updates because many updates fix performance bugs and improve resource management. Do these 3 steps before deeper tuning. Now you move into detailed tuning to keep performance consistent. Uninstall or disable heavy apps you rarely use, and offload photos and videos to cloud or SD storage so internal flash isn't saturated. Next, reduce animations and developer options like background process limits to lower CPU/GPU load, and turn off autosync for non-essential apps so they stop waking the device. Also check battery health and watch for thermal throttling. If the phone overheats, remove the case and stop intense tasks until temperatures fall. To finish, make persistent changes that sustain speed. Install a lightweight launcher, remove persistent widgets and trim notification sources to reduce background rendering and CPU wake-ups. If problems persist after these optimizations, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last resort because it removes deep software corruption. Make sure to reinstall only essential apps afterward. If lag remains after reset, boot into safe mode to isolate third-party apps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.